Data architects are crucial in today's data-driven organizations, responsible for designing, managing, and optimizing data infrastructure. They ensure that data is structured, accessible, and secure, supporting analytics, business intelligence, and strategic decision-making. A data architect's role involves balancing technical expertise with strategic thinking, understanding business needs, and implementing scalable data solutions. Because of this combination of skills, interviews for data architects are designed to assess both technical proficiency and problem-solving abilities, along with communication and leadership capabilities. Data architect interviews explore your experience in designing databases, data modeling, and managing large-scale data systems. Recruiters also evaluate your ability to collaborate with stakeholders, communicate complex technical concepts clearly, and maintain best practices in data governance and security. Preparing for these questions involves demonstrating both depth and breadth in your technical skills, as well as your ability to translate business requirements into effective data solutions. In this video, we'll cover common data architect interview questions, provide sample answers, and offer tips to help you prepare thoroughly. Question 1. Why do you want to work as a data architect? Answer begins here. I am passionate about designing systems that make data accessible, reliable, and valuable for decision-making. Working as a data architect allows me to apply my technical expertise to create scalable data solutions while helping organizations leverage data to achieve their business goals. Tip: emphasize a blend of technical passion and business impact. Question 2. What qualities make a successful data architect? Answer begins here. A successful data architect must have strong analytical skills, attention to detail, and deep technical knowledge of databases and data modeling. Communication and collaboration skills are equally important, as architects must work with business stakeholders, developers, and analysts to ensure data strategies align with organizational goals. Tip: highlight both technical and interpersonal skills. Question 3. How do you approach designing a data architecture for a new system? Answer begins here. I start by understanding the business requirements and key data flows. Then I design the logical and physical data models, choose the appropriate technologies, and ensure scalability and security. I also consider data governance, compliance, and performance optimization to create a robust, future-proof architecture. Tip: show a structured, methodical approach. Question 4. How do you ensure data quality and consistency? Answer begins here. I implement validation rules, constraints, and normalization techniques. Regular audits and monitoring help identify anomalies, while data governance policies enforce standards across systems. Collaboration with data engineers and analysts ensures that data remains accurate, reliable, and consistent throughout its lifecycle. Tip: emphasize proactive measures and collaboration. Question 5. What experience do you have with cloud data platforms? Answer begins here. I have worked with platforms such as AWS Redshift, Google BigQuery, and Azure SQL Data Warehouse. I've designed data pipelines, managed storage solutions, and optimized queries for performance. Cloud platforms offer scalability and flexibility, and I leverage their features to build efficient, secure architectures. Tip: mention specific platforms and relevant projects. Question 6. How do you handle large volumes of data in real-time systems? Answer begins here. I use partitioning, indexing, and efficient data modeling to optimize performance. Streaming technologies like Apache Kafka or AWS Kinesis help manage real-time data flows. I also monitor system performance continuously and apply load balancing strategies to maintain efficiency. Tip: demonstrate both technical knowledge and performance optimization skills. Question 7. How do you ensure data security and compliance? Answer begins here. I follow industry best practices such as encryption, access control, and auditing. Compliance frameworks like GDPR or HIPAA guide my approach to storing and handling sensitive data. Regular reviews and collaboration with security teams ensure that data systems meet regulatory and organizational requirements. Tip: show awareness of regulations and proactive security measures. Question 8. How do you collaborate with data engineers and analysts? Answer begins here. I maintain regular communication and align on project objectives. I provide clear specifications and documentation, review data models, and offer guidance on best practices. Collaboration ensures that pipelines, storage solutions, and analytics are consistent and meet business needs. Tip: highlight teamwork and effective communication. Question 9. Can you explain your approach to data modeling? Answer begins here. I start with a conceptual model to understand entities and relationships, then create a logical model detailing data attributes and structures. Finally, I design a physical model optimized for performance and storage efficiency. I ensure models align with business requirements and allow for future scalability. Tip: demonstrate structured thinking and technical expertise. Question 10. How do you manage changes in requirements during a project? Answer begins here. I maintain flexibility by documenting changes, evaluating their impact on existing architecture, and updating data models and pipelines accordingly. Continuous communication with stakeholders ensures that the solution adapts without compromising performance or integrity. Tip: emphasize adaptability, communication, and problem solving. Question 11. How do you stay current with new data technologies? Answer begins here. I regularly attend webinars, follow industry blogs, participate in professional communities, and experiment with new tools and platforms. Staying updated ensures I can implement innovative solutions and leverage emerging technologies effectively. Tip: show commitment to continuous learning. Question 12. How do you optimize database performance? Answer begins here. I optimize performance through indexing, query optimization, normalization, partitioning, and caching. I also monitor system metrics and identify bottlenecks, adjusting architecture and resource allocation as necessary to maintain efficiency. Tip: combine technical strategies with practical experience. Question 13. Describe a challenging data architecture project you handled. Answer begins here. In a previous role, I designed a multi-terabyte data warehouse integrating data from multiple sources. Challenges included differing data formats and performance issues. By standardizing data, implementing ETL pipelines, and optimizing storage, I created a scalable solution that improved analytics speed and reliability. Tip: share measurable outcomes and problem-solving steps. Question 14. How do you document your data architecture? Answer begins here. I create detailed diagrams, models, and data dictionaries. Documentation includes design decisions, data flows, storage structures, and governance policies. Clear documentation ensures that other team members and future architects can maintain and expand the system efficiently. Tip: emphasize clarity, thoroughness, and long-term usability. Question 15. Why should we hire you as a data architect? Answer begins here. I bring a combination of technical expertise, strategic thinking, and a collaborative mindset. I have experience designing scalable, secure data architectures that align with business goals. My commitment to quality, continuous learning, and problem-solving makes me a strong fit for this role. Tip: align your skills with the organization's needs and emphasize value you bring. Closing thoughts. Data architect interviews evaluate a candidate's technical depth, problem-solving ability, and collaboration skills. Beyond technical expertise, employers want to see that you can understand business requirements, communicate effectively, and create scalable, secure, and high-performing data solutions. When preparing, Focus on concrete examples from past projects to demonstrate your experience and problem-solving skills. Highlight your understanding of databases, cloud platforms, data modeling, security, and analytics, but also show that you can collaborate with cross-functional teams and adapt to changing requirements. Finally, authenticity and clear communication are crucial. Data architects serve as a bridge between business and technology, so demonstrating both technical proficiency and the ability to translate complex concepts into understandable solutions will leave a strong impression. By preparing thoroughly and presenting your skills confidently, you can excel in your data architect interview and position yourself as a valuable contributor to any organization's data strategy.